Your baby's brain is building new connections every single day, but it doesn't happen through expensive toys or background music alone. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 simple brain building developmental exercises using movement, sensory play, and serve and return interactions to help build the foundations for learning, coordination, and communication. And one of the most powerful ways to support your baby's brain development starts with something as simple as getting face to face during tummy time. Smart move number 1, connect. Face to face tummy time. Place your baby on their tummy while they are awake and supervised. Then get down on the floor so your face is close to your baby at eye level. Smile. Talk to your baby. Make a sound and then pause. Give your baby time to look at you, move their body, smile, coo, or make a facial expression. Then respond. That back and forth exchange is called serve and return interaction. Your baby serves by looking, moving, smiling, or making a sound. You return the serve by responding with your face, your voice, or your touch. This matters because serve and return interactions shape developing brain circuitry. Your baby is learning that their actions have meaning and that communication goes both ways. Tummy time also strengthens baby's neck, shoulders, arms, and upper body. But when you add face-to-face interaction, tummy time becomes much more than a strengthening exercise. It becomes a social, visual, and movement experience. I'm Cherrick Gordon, pediatric physical therapist. For more than 25 years, I've worked with real babies and real families, helping children build strength, movement, and developmental skills through everyday play. Around here, we believe that movement builds minds. Smart move number 2, center. Sideline play with hands together. Place your baby safely on one side with a small rolled up towel behind their back if they need help maintaining the position. Bring a lightweight toy towards the center of their body where both hands can reach it. Sideline makes it easier for babies to bring their hands together because gravity is no longer pulling both arms away from the middle. This position helps your baby discover the center of their body. It supports visual attention, hand-to-hand contact, early grasping, and coordination between the two sides of the body. Sideline play can also help prepare your baby for rolling because they begin learning what it feels like to play while their body is turned to one side. Try placing the toy slightly below eye level. Allow your baby to touch it, hold it. Avoid constantly placing the toy directly into your baby's hands. Give them a chance to look, reach, miss, adjust, and try again. These small attempts are part of the learning process. The goal is not perfect movement. The goal is active participation. Smart move number 3, discover. Hands to feet play. Place your baby on their back and encourage them to discover their knees, legs, feet, and toes. You can begin by gently bringing your baby's knees towards their belly. Then help their hands move towards their knees or feet. Hands to feet play helps your baby connect the upper and lower parts of their body. It encourages abdominal activity, hip movement, body awareness, and coordination between the arms and the legs. This is important baby brain development exercise because your baby is building a mental map of their own body. They are learning where their legs are, how their hands can reach them, and what happens when they move several parts of their body together. Let your baby explore. If you're not sure which movement skill your baby should be working on right now, I created a free birth to 12-month milestone checklist. You're going to find a link in the description. Smart move number 4, crossing midline container play. Crossing midline means reaching across the center of the body. For example, your baby uses the right hand to reach towards something on the left side or the left hand to reach towards something on the right side. For this activity, sit your baby with the level of support they need. Place a few safe toys on one side of the body and a container on the opposite side. Encourage your baby to pick up a toy, reach across their body, and place it into the container. Crossing midline baby exercises support trunk rotation, balance, hand-eye coordination, spatial awareness, and motor planning. Your baby has to notice the toy, decide how to reach it, shift their weight, control the arm, and release the object into the container. That's a lot of problem solving inside one simple activity. Smart move number 5, explore. Seated sensory play. Place your baby in a stable seated position with the support they need, then offer 1 or 2 safe sensory materials to explore. You might use crinkle paper, a textured cloth. Let the baby touch it, squeeze it, pat it, shake it, turn it over, drop it, and reach for it again. Sensory play gives your baby information about texture, sound, pressure, movement, and cause and effect. But the brain-building benefit does not come from simply placing a pile of sensory toys in front of your baby. It comes from active exploration. Your baby moves, touches, listens, watches, and adjusts their actions based on what happens next. When they drop a toy and watch it fall, they are learning about cause and effect. When they reach outside their base of support, they're also working on sitting balance and protective reactions. Keep the environment simple. 1 or 2 objects are often enough. Follow your baby's interests instead of trying to make them complete the activity in a particular way. Now, parents often search for baby brain development music and wonder whether playing certain sounds or songs will make their baby smarter. Music can absolutely be part of a rich learning environment. You can sing to your baby, move together to a rhythm, pause during a familiar song, or encourage your baby to shake an instrument. But background music alone does not replace movement, touch, eye contact, exploration, and responsive interaction. Music becomes more powerful when your baby actively participates. Sing a line and pause. Wait for your baby to look at you, move, smile, or make a sound. Then respond and continue. Once again, you're turning a passive experience into serve and return interaction. So remember the 5 smart moves. Connect with face-to-face tummy time. Center with side-lying hands together play. Discover with hands to feet play. Cross with crossing midline play, and explore with seated sensory play. You do not need expensive equipment. You need a safe space, a few simple objects, and opportunities for your baby to actively move, explore, and connect with you. These smart moves are just the beginning. For the strongest foundation for rolling, crawling, sitting, and the milestones ahead, watch my tummy time video next. I'm going to put that right here for you. Daily supervised tummy time is one of the most powerful activities for your baby's gross motor development.